Alright, here goes. Today is a very important day. It's unboxing. I've waited like a year, so. Woo. Sorry, I ran inside for the rain. Okay, so here we go. First off, love the stamp. Frouzon said it's hand carved. Look at that tape. It's pretty. But I cannot get myself to look at the tape any longer. I want to see what's inside. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Packaging it really well. I don't know what I'm going to do in this box, but I am not being very nice to it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, is this like a letter? Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you, Frouzon. Oh my gosh. You are literally making me so happy right now. Is this one of the thread pins? There's no one. Oh gosh, I don't know what I did with the little knife. Oh my gosh. I think this is a thread pin. It is! Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh. So, I don't know if y'all know, but I already have one of their pins. It's over there, hanging on like a pin thing, but this is definitely going over there. Okay, so I'm gonna do this first, which is very hard to see right this second. But, and this is Rhodey, by the way. He's going to Frouzon to get worked on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, look at these boopers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Boopers. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at them. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Holy snap. That is so soft. Wow. And that's sturdy too. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. That is, oh my gosh. That is so perfect. Oh my gosh, no. And this is the other paw. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I used to get so mad at unboxing videos because people would be like, oh my god, look at the paws, and I'm like, I want to see the head. But now I get it, I totally get it. They're so easy to put on. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait, I'm getting sidetracked. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is more. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Wow. I haven't even, okay. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen it yet. Oh my god! Oh my god! What? What? Oh my gosh. She's real. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna take Rhodey off for a minute to get her groomed and so I can put her on. 1 second. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So, the only thing I noticed right this minute is she is very snug. Like, really snug. But, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. Yo. Oh, wait. Almost forgot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's me. This is me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Let me go down a little bit further. Hold on. Oh gosh, feeling like this with these on is like impossible. Okay. That's me. That's my solo. This is my solo Sam. Which reminds me. This is my badge. I got it from Creamix Butter on Instagram. See? You see the resemblance? Bubble. Oh yeah, look, I gotta go show my mom. Because I want to. But I think my only issue is that it's way snug. Like, it's really snug. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna go show my mom. Hello. So, I said I would give some sort of review when I got Sam. I do apologize for the audio before this. I was too excited to care, in nice words. But now I do have Sam, as you can see in the flesh. She's basically perfect. I think the snugness, like how tight it is, will go away the more I wear it. But right this minute it is very tight. But other than that, she's so perfect. And I'm sorry for the lighting too. I just haven't had the care to turn on the lights either. I just woke up from a nap and then did uni work, so. But I'll plug some, I don't know, some images over here of my Soma, so you get a pretty comparison of how accurately they got Sam. One of my favorite features, weirdly enough, is the eyebrows. You can't see them very well in this lighting, but they used little round eyebrows, which is like a big thing in Sam's design. And also, the beefy paws. Look at them, and then you see the claws. It's so perfect. And the shave is ridiculous. Like, the face is soft, but the ears are even softer. And the tail, it's actually right there, but I can't really get it down with these, is perfect. So I am super stoked with this suit. It's super sturdy. Like, I don't know how to tell you how sturdy this thing is. I feel like if I took a sledgehammer to it and a flamethrower, that it would do nothing, most likely. The flamethrower might, but the sledgehammer wouldn't. I feel like I could take a screwdriver to it, it wouldn't do nothing. This thing is sturdy. As are, you know, the paws and the tail. That's hopefully a given. Which, I've moved one of the bean pads. Whoops. Okay. Wait. Okay. Oh my gosh. I can't get my hand in it right. I'm so strange. But, and I don't know if you can see it, but they did make the collar, which is like also a big thing for Sam. There is a story behind this suit, and I'm so glad to see it come to life. I've waited, I made my first Sona in 5th grade in elementary school, and I'm a high school graduate now. I'm in university, so this is a long awaited thing for me. The collar is the original, the OG thing for my original Sona. My first Sona was the Minecraft Wolf, and as you know, the Minecraft Wolf has the red collar, and that's what this is. It will never be removed from my Sona's design, ever. I don't care if red looks bad with it at some point. The collar stays. And, you know, something, they got it so perfectly. The whiskers weren't originally a part of the plan, but Frouzon was like, yeah! And the more I thought about it, the more I was like, oh yeah! Yeah, that's a good idea. And you know what? It was. Because it's extra cute. And it also gave me, I guess for compensation of the weight, they gave me these. Which I will take out for now. Give y'all happy face. I'm so happy to have her. I thought she was lost for the longest time. So it's good to know she's not. Also, Rhodey, he has not been seen in a while because I've been afraid of breaking him. And Frouzon's going to repair him and put him together better so he does not fall apart, and I'm going to miss him. And in the meantime, his crown stays on Sam. That's just a way I do not forget about my boy. But this suit, I know I keep getting sidetracked, is perfect. Like, I don't know. Wait, here, hold on. Okay. Look at those teeth. That's probably one of my favorite things, is those teeth. I don't know how easy it is to see because, unlike the Rhodey, so with Rhodey, my mouth would be like literally right here. But with Sam, it's more of like, I guess, like up here. So it's my chin down here, like in the mouth, which feels a little funny, but I think it's just because I'm so used to Rhodey. But this is no big deal, and I just hope she loosens up. If not, I'll probably just send her back for an adjustment whenever Frouzon has the time, and just give it like an extra inch of room. Because when I move my chin, it pulls on the, like here. You can see it pulls my head down. So, you can tell how snug it is. But I really think if I just keep wearing it, it'll loosen up. But Sam is literally otherwise perfect. And I'm so happy. Like, y'all, you have no idea how long I've been waiting. I've tried making a head for her before myself, like 4 years ago. Like, I'll put a picture here of what Sam could have been, but thankfully is not. I have no idea how to make suits. I might try again in the future, but I doubt it. It is just not my thing. And also, my sewing machine is like vintage, so I can't find any videos on how to thread the machine, so it's whatever. But I don't care that much because I have Sam here. If I were to make a suit in the future, I would either get one of Scare or Sammy, which is the cat Sona y'all have seen. But I'm so glad with this, and I'm gonna tell y'all this now. If I get another suit, it's coming from Frouzon. I don't care if the most popular maker on the world is gonna give me a free suit. I'm gonna turn it down because I'm all about TWS now. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. I cannot wait till the thread suit is made. I might just pass away when that comes out. I'm not even gonna lie, I'll just die. I'll just die. One thing is that when the run is over, I hope to find the convention that a bunch of other TWS people are going to, and I want to go there. If anything, I'll just see if I can ask Frouzon what convention they're going to, and I want to go to that one. Because I personally would love to meet the hands behind the craft, you know? I don't know if that makes sense or not, but I just do, okay? I do. They've been super, super nice. Even when I was freaking out, oh my god, what if Sam's lost? They were like super calm. They sent me messages to basically comfort me, and it was the nicest thing ever for them to go out of their way and do that. Was packaged great, and I also got, you might be able to see it now, the thread pin, and I also have their other pin, which I can't remember the name right this second. I'm bad with names, but you get the point. But yeah. Uh-oh, did I pull the tongue? I did a funny and I pulled the tongue. Get back in there. Wait, can I? Wow, that's in there good. I like that. Huh. I could also make it go, I don't know which way I like it. Oh no, for now I'll leave it down. But anyway, that is all. I'm sorry I can't give like a professional review because in all honesty, I'm basically like at a loss for words. This is fantastic. If you like, see, I don't know even what to say really now. Like, it's just so nice to have Sam. Which I think my cat is taking a crap, so if you hear that, I'm so sorry. But anyway, that is all. Please go give Frouzon /Threads some support. I'll put some links in the description of what I have and can find. And I will make a video when I get Rhodey back from them. I'm going to ship him out soon. So there's still some suit related unboxing things to go through in the future. Bye, losers.